In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for marketing efforts effectively. Whether you're just getting started or looking to streamline your processes, this guide will help you navigate and optimize your use of this versatile tool. Let's dive in and transform the way you manage marketing projects. First, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. This platform will be your new secret weapon for marketing management, offering a suite of tools designed to enhance collaboration and organization. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in at the upper right corner. Click on it to begin the process of accessing your account. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can do this easily by clicking the Google option. If you're already logged into your Google account, simply choose the account you want to use with Monday.com. This seamless integration with Google makes it easier for you to manage your time and tasks without the hassle of remembering additional passwords. Once you're logged in and find yourself on the Monday.com dashboard, look towards the left panel where you will notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. This is where you'll begin the process of setting up your board, a hub for tracking your marketing activities. Now, select Template Center from the options available. This is truly one of Monday.com's standout features, allowing you to access a plethora of pre-made templates tailored for various needs. It ensures that you're not starting from scratch and can instead leverage proven frameworks. Within the Template Center, you should see a variety of categories. Click on the Marketing tab. This section is filled with templates specifically designed with marketing tasks in mind. By utilizing these ready-made templates, you save time and ensure that your board is structured for maximum efficiency. With several templates displayed, it's time for some customization. Carefully browse through the available templates and select the one that best fits your marketing strategy. Remember, the right template can set the tone for successful project execution by aligning with your team's goals and workflow. After selecting your desired template, you'll see an option labeled Use Template. Clicking this will add the template to your workspace, kicking off your journey to a more organized and efficient marketing operation. Invest some time in exploring and customizing the features within the template to suit your specific needs. Whether it's adjusting timelines or assigning tasks, make sure everything is fine-tuned to your team's workflow and objectives. And with that, you've successfully set up your marketing management board on Monday.com. This setup is a game changer, offering clarity and coordination to your marketing strategies while facilitating better team communication. Thanks to Monday.com, you're well on your way to achieving a more streamlined and productive marketing process. Embrace the power of organization and see your projects thrive.